Welcome to this episode of Retro Tech Talk, where we take a deep dive into the rejuvenated world of classic computing. Today we're exploring a fascinating project that allows you to breathe new life into an old classic, Windows 98. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the Windows 9X Quick Install ISO Creator Package. Now, for those who might not know, Windows 98 is a beloved operating system that holds a special place in the hearts of many computer enthusiasts. This package, created by oerg866, allows users to create installation ISO images of Windows 98. I mean, just think about it. The nostalgia of those early days of computing, those iconic sounds, and that familiar interface, all enhanced by modern installation speeds. How does that sound to you? So, let's break it down. This framework is designed for optimizing Windows 98 installations. It not only allows you to slipstream drivers and tools, but it also enables incredibly fast installs, about 60 to 90 seconds on a Pentium 3 machine. Now, before you think, that's awfully technical, hang tight. We'll explore this in a way that's easy to digest. Imagine sitting in front of your old PC. The desktop looks just like it did 2 decades ago, and then boom. Within a minute, you're back in the 90s, clicking away. Can you remember the excitement of firing up games or using software that shaped your early tech experiences? Now, Eric acknowledges that this process can be a bit more complex than other tools like Nlight. You need to have an understanding of how to set things up, meaning there's a learning curve. But you know what they say, no pain, no gain, right? The increased customization possibilities make it worthwhile for those who want a tailored installation experience. It's like crafting your own nostalgia on a disk. Now let's get technical for just a moment. The Quick Install package works on various Windows 98 versions and employs Linux as its backbone. Think of Linux as the reliable sidekick that helps create the installation media. It provides tools for hard disk partitioning and formatting that turn this complex task into something manageable, even for retro enthusiasts. What I find particularly interesting is how this project supports a wide array of booting methods. You can use CD-DVD, floppy disks, or even USB drives. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your installation needs. On a side note, have you ever tried to boot from a floppy in today's USB-centric world? It's a fun trip down memory lane. Now, I'm sure some of you might be wondering about system requirements. You'll need just a modest setup, an i4-86 class CPU and 24 megabytes of RAM. Just imagine, devices with such specifications were powerhouse giants at their time, and now they can unleash the full glory of Windows 98 in moments. Isn't it amazing how technology has evolved? And if you're concerned about international versions or drivers, Eric encourages users to report bugs. It's another testament to the community-driven nature of this project. There's a real sense of shared passion behind it. It's not just code, it's a celebration of the past. Okay, let's switch gears for a moment. Ask yourself, if you could install Windows 98 today, what software or game would be the first thing you'd want to dive into? Share your thoughts with us. As we wrap up, let's reflect on this journey into retro computing. With the Windows 9X Quick Install ISO Creator, we're not just reviving an old operating system. We're rekindling memories, exploring the roots of personal computing, and celebrating the didactic beauty of technology's evolution. Whether you're an old-timer reminiscing or a newcomer exploring the past, there's so much to discover. Thank you for tuning in today. Remember, the world of retro tech is vast, and each episode could reveal a piece of history waiting to be uncovered. Until next time, keep your circuits buzzing and your nostalgia alive.